Motor Auto Test, an intelligent motor testing and reporting system. Prolifix Motor Auto Test is an effective systemic response aimed at significantly enhancing productivity, efficiency, and integrity of the motor testing process, along with the facility of automatic report generation. Prolifix Motor Auto Test is a versatile PC-based suite for testing of single-phase and three-phase motors. With Motor Auto Test, operator connects motor leads to the test bench. Then, he clicks to start tests. Motor Auto Test then automatically conducts all the tests in sequence and signals completion on the screen. Nameplate is automatically punched. Motor Auto Test prints report that are in full compliance with IS, IEC and IEEE standards. Motor Auto Test has following components. They are Motor Test Pro, an intelligent motor testing software. Motor Auto Test Bench, Power Panel, Test Instruments, HV Tester, MG Set, Dynamometer, Variac, Tapping Transformer, Barcode Printer and Scanner, Nameplate Punching Machine, Rotor Locking Mechanism. This is a typical schematic of the Motor Auto Test. Test bench houses computer, resistance meter, insulation tester, power meter, and controller. Test bench acquires signals from temperature sensors, vibration sensors, load cells, photo sensors, etc. And the test bench monitors and controls all the motor testing equipments like isolators, circuit breakers, voltage regulator, MG set, etc. Motor Auto Test is internet-enabled for online access by customers. Let us see how a user benefits with the use of Motor Auto Test. User starts the software by double-clicking on the icon of Motor Auto Test. Separate logins for operator level, manager level, and guest level ensure security and to avoid misuse of the software. To log in, enter the username, password, and click on OK. You can see the main menu here. It has two options. New Motor Test. This is to test new motor, and Retest. It is for retesting of the motor, generally after it has failed while testing. Let us click on New Motor Test. The screen titled New Motor Test gets opened. Select the motor model, also called machine name or motor series, through the drop-down list. Motor model can also be entered by scanning the barcoded label. Barcode scanner is interfaced and is part of the motor test system. Based on the motor model, the basic parameters of motor are fetched from the database. Align the motor and secure it by tightening the belt. Click on OK button to display list of tests for selection. The list of tests to be conducted on the motor is displayed on the screen. To start the testing of motor, click on the Auto Test button. Selected routine tests, type tests, or both can be conducted, and test results are stored in the database automatically. The tests include winding resistance, high voltage, insulation resistance, no load loss, locked rotor, starting torque, breakdown torque, rated torque, pull-up torque, efficiency measurement, vibration test, and temperature rise test. If test bench put in manual mode, it is possible to conduct one or more selected tests. After the click of Auto Test button, the test results are displayed on the screen. The test results combined measured and calculated parameters. The test under progress on the motor is highlighted with the blue color. If the measured parameters are not within the permissible design limits, then the particular block is highlighted in red color. After the first 4 tests are conducted, short circuit test is conducted by locking the rotor automatically. Once all the tests are conducted on the motor and it passes all the tests, system assigns excise serial number automatically. Once confirmed, excise serial number gets stored into the database and barcode label is printed automatically. If the user clicks on the No button, then the motor is available for retesting. The system automatically assigns motor serial numbers. The user has the provision for entering block of motor serial number month-wise. To avail this facility, go to the Utility menu and click on Serial Number menu. New motor design data can be entered or edited. This option is visible if the user is logged with the manager level login. Click on the motor design data. The screen titled Motor Design Master gets opened. Several templates for different motor models can be created and stored. This avoids entering motor design details while testing of motors every now and then. Clicking on Single Page Report or Bulk Report will display all the test reports of single or multiple motors with ease and convenience. To generate a single page report, click on it. User inputs excise number, customer name, order reference number, and indent number of the motor for which report is to be generated. Once all the details are entered, click on the Print button to generate the report. There is also a facility to take prints of about 20 motors testing data in one page based on date, shift, pass or fail. The report can also be exported to Excel by clicking on the Generate Excel button. There is a facility to configure the shift timings. Software has the facility to capture data from any type of communicable instrument by selecting instrument make, type of connection, and port name. The software has inbuilt drivers compatible for all makes and models of test instruments. Availability of most of the instrument drivers make the application independent of the instruments being used for test measurement. User creation facility is provided to create new user and assign user group. To create new user, go to the utility menu and click on Create Login. Enter the details of new user. Select user group and save it. Addition, modification, deletion of user group facility is also available in the software. To avail this facility, go to the utility menu and click on User Permission. Create new user group or select existing group, select the permission, save it to assign the permission to group and their users. There is a facility to edit the report header and footer details. To avail this facility, go to the utility menu and click on Report Header. Change the logo, header details and footer details as per your requirement. There is a facility to track winder for the motor winding that may eventually fail during testing or its operation. To avail this facility, go to the utility menu and click on Winder. The template stores various winders names and their auto-generated code. The motor auto test system protects motor under test from over voltage and over current. User can set the tripping limits for all the phases. Prolific provides support on 24 hours basis for any of the issues brought to its notice. Prolific makes use of email, phone, fax, online chat, online download facilities to ensure its customers get unmatched support in the industry. Use of internet technologies by Prolific ensures customer feeling that the Prolific is at their doorstep. Today's technological advancements have made physical presence of software maintenance engineer at site avoidable and at times superfluous. You may fill the requirement form for your requirement of motor auto test to receive a motor auto test proposal to satisfy you. Truly, Prolific's motor auto test brings about the positive and permanent change in the way motors are tested on the test floor and provides long-lasting benefits to all stakeholders involved in the process: the manufacturer, the customer, and the last but not the least, brings back the smile on the face of the testing engineer. Let the versatile, comprehensive and user-friendly Motor Auto Test magic work for you.